So we're here at the 2017 PRI show in the Precision Turbo and Engine booth, and Anthony Manna stopped by to see us. How you doing today, Anthony?
Good, how are you?
Great, great. Hey, we're talking about the 30th anniversary of this company here, Precision Turbo, and we've made a lot of great products and had a lot of champions and record holders and things of that nature and success stories with our products. And I was wondering if you could share a couple of those with us today.
Well, we switched over, I want to say 2 years ago. We had a little bit of a problem with another company, but you guys have been helping me out a lot with everything, and the product speaks for itself. So I wouldn't go to any other company, to be honest with you.
That's awesome. That's great news.
Everything worked out well.
So what's your wins and championships look like for us?
So far, 2014 to 2017, LSX drag radio champion. I set the record for mile per hour NET.
Wow, that's awesome. So what does it run?
This year was 180 miles an hour, 445. We've been faster all year, but not an LSX drag radio, different class.
Wow, that's really fast.
We do a lot of LDR racing also. So.
Okay. So looking at the next 30 years and the success stories that we're trying to get to, what does 2018 and beyond look like for you and your race program?
We're dropping a class, actually. So we're going down to X375 in Street Outlaw for NMCA. And, just want to step it up, be something a little more competitive. Actually try to make a field, and get up in the upper part of the field for X375, because to me that's more competitive than the LG drag radio.
So you're going to continue to use the same turbocharger?
Same turbo. We're changing from twins to single.
Okay.
Yeah, twin 88s to Pro Mod 88s to Street Outlaw on the 98 Pro Mod, the Gen 2, and then for X75, obviously the 88. Hopefully we get we hear talk about the new Gen 3 coming out, so hopefully we get a chance to use that also.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for coming by. We appreciate all your success, and thanks and good luck next year.
I appreciate it. Thank you.